sound seemed to have stopped. I hear a plane. Okay, so the sounds are coming from over there. That's where the plane came from. What the fuck? I'm scared. I've watched the end of the world movies, you know? I've watched those kinds of movies. This is not good. Oh, lightning. So it's like a storm. So that's thunder. What the fuck? Nah, that can't be normal thunder, man. That's something. There's like aliens or shit. This guy's growling. Holy fuck. I'm documenting maybe the last days on Earth as it's happening. Right? What the fuck is that? Seems to have stopped again. There's like a pattern. It keeps stopping and then it changes its pattern. I just heard like a hoo 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 in the sky. What the fuck? I hope my parents are okay. This guy's knocking a little bit. Like a tuck tuck. What's with the pattern? Nope. Lightning. This is fucking weird. Like, I know this is thunder, but it's like there's something more to this thunder. Like, it's weird. It's knocking. It's crazy how the sky can sound like this. It's fucking crazy. At least not noise lightning, and it's not us getting bombarded by the Russia. Even though there was a plane that came out of there. Those guys saw something. These guys are celebrating. What the fuck? So yesterday was my birthday. Also, it was Moist Critical's birthday. So me and my favorite YouTuber have the same birth date. That's nice. He's 28. I'm 16. And I don't know what the fuck is going on here. Is this an after party? Is this an after present? Is this an after party present for me? This is not thunder, bro. I don't know why, but this is not thunder. The sound is hitting. It's like if you were hitting a poof, 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 like that, you know? That's what it is. It's like somebody in the sky is trying to talk to us. It's like knocking to us. Okay, that's not a ghost, that's just a light reflection. So where the fuck is the moon? I have a feeling that Earth's gravity is about to like expand to the left or something. So I'm gonna make sure to be over here so that I'm fine if gravity just shuts down. Listen, I don't know, I have imagination. I'm gonna keep you guys updated if something else happens.